Welcome to the GoServicePro tutorial on cases. Cases are one of the main objects that drive much of our workflow in the application. Any issue reported by a customer or any job that needs to be done is recorded as a case. All details about a case are stored in the case form. On the left side of the form, we can view or update the information that has been entered. The top group shows the main details of the case. We can click on Show More to view even more details. The ribbon in this group may show different buttons depending on our settings and the status of the case. The Save button lets us save changes to the case form. If we open the form from the Cases grid, the Next and Previous buttons will appear and let us navigate between records. If SLAs are set up for the case, the SLA buttons let us view the SLA status, update the commitment time, or fulfill the activity. The second group shows information about the site and contact for the case. If we expand this group, we see the contact's name, phone number, and email address, along with the site name and address. The site's location is also shown on the map. The third group has information about the asset linked to the case. If no asset is chosen, this group will not show on the case form. The fourth group displays information about the entitlement for the case. If no entitlement is selected, this section is hidden. On the right panel of the case form, we find more information related to the case. The Activity tab has the case newsfeed, which shows the full history of all activities performed on the case or its related work orders. The Log menu in the ribbon of this newsfeed gives us options for activities we can log against the case. The Parts menu lets us manage the assets of the site related to the case, or create part orders if more parts are needed to complete the case. The Add menu lets us add new objects related to the case, but kept as separate records. For more about the activities in these menus, we should check the specific guide for each activity. The Previous Cases tab has a newsfeed that shows past cases created for this site. The Site Assets Tree tab shows the site's assets related to the case in a tree view. The Parts menu on this tab has a few more options compared to the one on the Activity tab. The Site Assets List tab displays the site's assets in a simple list. We can click the More Information icon in the row of an asset to see a list of its children. The Parts menu on this tab is the same as the one in the tree view. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to watch more related content, look for links to other videos in the description down below, or visit us at our website at GoServicePro.com.